Hi everyone, I'm Rob from Rob and Valaine channel. So for today, we're going to review the Le Baneto crossbody bag from Jacquemus. I'll talk about the pricing, the quality of the bag, what fits inside, and my overall impressions. Let's go! So this is a clip from the Spring-Summer 2021 Jacquemus collection wherein I saw the bag first. So this is the dust bag that came along with the bag. So let's open it. So this is the bag. And along with it, it came with the receipt. Some stickers, organic stickers, so cute. The official receipt. And then the return stamp if you're not happy with the product. So this is the front side of the bag with a silver hardware of the Jacquemus logo and a front pocket as well. And unlike most messenger bags, it comes with a back pocket which is very handy. So it comes with a silver zipper, and let's check what's inside the bag. So as you can see, there is a small interior card holder with a Jacquemus stamp on it. This bag actually comes in 4 colors: the khaki, brown, pink, and blue. And what I love about this one is the strap is adjustable, so you can either make it a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. And on this side, there is a side hook accessory where you can just put a charm or whatever you want. So yeah, that is the bag. So these are the things that I commonly bring with me. And let's see if they can fit. So my power bank, the iPhone cable, my AirPods, and my card holder. Yeah, it fits. Boom. So the bag retails at around 480 US dollars or just around 700 New Zealand dollars. And some photos of the bag during my trip.